You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 97. Configure Jira Cloud to send emails on behalf of domain. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. Now let's click on this 4 blocks that we have on top left corner and then click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on top right corner to go to settings. Click on settings. Under Jira Admin Settings, we are going to click on space, and next to demo service space, we are going to click on these 3 dots and we'll go to space setting. In left panel, under notification, if notification is not expanded, just click on this arrow to expand notification and then click on internal notifications. On internal notification, you will have an email ID which is Jira@NetSoft Academy. For me, the number is this one because it needs to be unique. Just click on this edit next to email ID. Beside email ID, click on edit. Next to email ID, you will have edit. Click on edit. And then again on notification email, click on edit. In the customize default email address, make sure that you have a default domain. Default domain is there, which is NetSoft Academy 0110. So this number, you might have some other. Okay. So now here we are going to add NetSoft and we'll click on save. Ensure that new email ID is reflecting, which is netsoft@netsoftakademy.atlassian.net. Once this is done, again you can review, go back over here. Okay, it is changed. Click on save, validate it. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.